If you don't do this work, say you do it for 1 month and you don't do it the next month, your results are gonna show that you didn't do it. So you wanna make sure you're consistent. Hey guys, so I'm about to jump on a quick power session. We jump on here so we can connect further. We can really listen to the person and what they really need for their business, and then provide them that solution. So we always recommend to get on those calls, whether it's a video call or the phone call, to get on the calls so you can connect deeper with those people and, you know, be able to offer them what you offer that could be of greatest value to them. So it's never a waste of time. Make it happen. They don't have to be so long. They can be a short 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. They should not be longer than that for you guys to get across and, you know, make that relationship built, whether they get started right now or you're just adding value, or they get started tomorrow or a week from now or 3 months from now or 6 months from now or next year in 2020. It doesn't matter. You're building those relationships and providing value. So if you're currently struggling to get more booked calls, there's some activities and action steps you want to start taking like right away. And you can start getting those and filling up your own calendar. I remember when we had 0 calls or maybe like once or twice a week. Now we get multiple calls every single day because of the action steps that we take consistently that we know will produce the actual calls. So now if you don't have any list, then you would actually start organically putting in the work through social media is an awesome platform, Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, and start connecting with people, right? Connect with people through the messenger. Ask them a question, tell them what you do, how you could be a benefit. Is that something that they're interested? You're gonna get a lot of responses back. Make it a goal for you, 35 a day. Go ahead and connect with 35 people per day. And you're gonna get a lot of responses back, like, tell me more information, what do you offer, let's jump on a call. And that, you wanna take that conversation from there. People aren't just gonna come to your website consistently enough and go ahead and click that button that says, book your discovery call, or book your session, or book your appointment. It's not gonna happen consistently enough. You gotta go out there, make those connections, go network, whether it's through the digital, the physical, and if you already have a list, go ahead and tap into that list again. Send emails out. If you have their phone numbers, call them on the phone, reconnect with them. Say, you know, I know you were interested back in May about, you know, growing your business. Is that something that you're still interested in? And you're either gonna get a yes or you're gonna get a no, and you take it from there. So now it's 3:05 and this person hasn't shown up to the appointment, and it was at 3, so they're 5 minutes late. So what I'm gonna do is we actually ask for phone numbers. So I'm not just gonna say, okay, she didn't show up to the video, maybe she's busy. Cool, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I have her number, and I'm gonna call her on her number. I'll shoot you over a text, and maybe you're just running a few minutes late. If not, we can absolutely reschedule, okay? Look forward to connecting further, and talk to you soon. Take care. And she also confirmed, just so you guys know, I sent her a confirmation 24 hours in advance, and then today as well. And she actually confirmed, yes, I'm gonna be on the call, right? So you wanna make sure to do all those touches to limit the amount of no-shows, because it doesn't really happen for us all the time. It may happen here and there, and it's gonna happen, but don't just think, oh, they didn't show up, I'm not following up, I'm not allowing them to reschedule, oh my God, right? At the end of the day, people are living their life, right? Commit to actually being of service, commit to trying to log on. See, she's trying to log on. So some of our big clients have come from literally us in the beginning decide, okay, should we leave this because they're late, or should we stay on, or, you know, she's on. Hi, Katie.
Didn't even realize the time.
No problem. I assume you're pretty busy, so no problem. I'm excited we're connected here. So it went awesome. Now the first thing that you want to do after the call is you want to send a follow-up. Right, so right now I'll probably send her a text very quickly, right, through, let's say, where we connected, which was Instagram. Awesome speaking with you. Sending over that email shortly. Right, so sending her a quick follow-up We have another book a meeting from a meeting, right? So I'm going to connect with her. I asked her, when do you think you'll get back to me by, right? She said Monday. Cool, let's touch base on Monday. So I'm going to call her on Monday. If not before, she's going to ask any questions she have. I sent her a text. I'm also going to send her an email, right? After that email, we're also going to send her a tag email. That means somebody from our team, somebody on your team. It could be your spouse, it could be a friend. They're gonna send out a tag email. This is so powerful, where they're gonna then follow up and reach out and say, hey Stacy, you know, I know you spoke with Vanessa and Isabel. I know you didn't get started. May I ask if there's any way that I can serve you, or anything they didn't answer that I can actually help you and answer? I would love to be there. I'm here for you. All right, looking forward to hearing from you. Because most people may, you know, they feel free to speak to somebody else, ask them the questions that they may not have asked you. And so all these parts are part of the process. Only 2% of people do get started on the first call. So if you don't have a follow-up process in place, or you're not committed to follow-up, you're losing so much money on the table, so many opportunities, so many people that maybe you spoke to last month or 5 months ago or 3 weeks ago that are ready now, but they forgot about you, or because you haven't followed up, they don't want to do business with you. So make sure to follow up, be creative in the follow-ups, put something in place, stay committed to it, and the successful people that you want to connect with appreciate the follow-up. This call was done from a follow-up call, right? So make it happen, implement the process, and we'll see you next time.